Welcome, today in front of me T-MOBILE Revvl 6 Pro, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere App on this device. So first, let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search pool we should enter Ampere. Now we should get this application. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Now just tap here to open the app, click yes I agree, tap to close. On the left down corner click to OK, and now we can see here information about our battery health, and in my case it's good. Also we can find here more info like the battery temperature, capacity, model, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.